Hi guys, welcome back. If you joined our previous, workshop, so welcome to Antwork free workshop. As you can see, today's topic is digital marketing strategy for startups, and the inside scoop will be given by Dheeraj Thukral. I'll be introducing him. So let me walk you through the agenda. Agenda is very simple. I'll be introducing Dheeraj, and then you can get to know about why digital marketing is important for startups, how to start with, what are some steps, do's and don'ts, and interesting case studies, and we'll take the Q&A. Let's make the session a little bit interactive, guys. You can put the Q&A questions in chat box, or you can unmute yourself as well. Okay, let me introduce Dheeraj now. So he already said he don't have any fancy introduction, but still, so his first encounter is in digital marketing happened when he's in high school. He can tell it as a love at first click, and then his passion became marketing, and now he's having full-fledged a digital marketing career. So he have done many hats since then: strategy, designing, account manager, and most importantly he's a marketer now. So he loves solving complex marketing problems which carry a deep interest in customer psychology, customer behavior in new age digital space. So welcome back, Dheeraj, in Antwork platform.
Oh, it's a pleasure as always. I will also introduce myself using my LinkedIn profile in a while. So I have two responses so far. I have Poojan from Siliguri. I'm a subscriber of your channel. Wow, thank you Poojan. Been through your videos, lots to learn. मतलब मैं जो secret रखने वाला था वो secret है नहीं. वो राज खुल चुका है. कोई बात नहीं, अच्छी बात है. Varid here from Pune, working with agency based out of Pune. Hope to gain new insights. Varid, what are you working as? And which agency are we talking about? Guys, please feel free to open up your cameras. देखो यार, free में workshop हो रही है. Free में तो आजकल कुछ मिलता ही नहीं है. अब आप फ्री की वर्कशॉप में भी कैमरा ऑफ करेंगे, फिर पेड वाले में तो भूल ही जाओ. कैमरा ऑन कर लो so that we guys can see each other. Even if you're lying down, I don't mind. मैं भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I won't judge you. It's okay. And I need more introductions, please, so that I can tailor my PPT. क्योंकि प्रोफेसर वाली शक्ल तो है नहीं मेरी, है ना. और देखो क्या पहाड़, मस्त पहाड़ों पे, मतलब मस्त समंदर के बीच में फोटो खिंचवाई है. So it's not a typical PPT. It's not going to be a very heavy data crunching or the advertisements that you see on Facebook. You guys see these 5 days workshops, 2 days workshops, 1 day workshop advertisements suddenly booming like anything, ना. It's like crazy. मतलब अब सब लोग knowledge बांटने लग गए हैं. क्या हो गया? अब कोई e-commerce में नहीं जा रहा, अब कोई products नहीं बांट रहा, अब सबको workshops करनी है. So don't worry, it's not a typical workshop. It's going to be a very light-hearted, more like a chat session, and the more you interact, the more you will get out of it. So if you decide to stay quiet, mute your mics and then just ठीक है यार certificate दो आगे बढ़ो, तो फिर उस certificate का कुछ खास फायदा होना नहीं है. Certificate won't land you in a job, right? Your presence will. So I'm looking for more interactions. I'm looking for more introductions. Saima is already here. I know Saima. She's already here. Saima, आप तो कैमरा ऑन कर दो. Antwork वाले भी नहीं करेंगे क्या? No problem. Okay. Socrates social media marketing. Wow, nice. Socrates is a big agency. Socrates is nice. Marcel Socrates, if I'm not wrong, right? It belongs to Merkel. है ना? Merkel Socrates. Nice. What about you, Kito, Alok, Binoy, Ajay, Kamaljeet, Rishikant, Tanvi, Vaidehi, Veera, Sabarshi. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing your name incorrectly. Varid, Subhadeep तो अपना ही भाई है. Munish, Kushal, Anirudh, Chandrakant. Open up your cameras, please. If you want to unmute yourself, please feel free to unmute. And if you don't want to unmute, you can just DM me. You can DM me your introductions. For some odd reason, your messages are not coming here. I don't know, some issues, but please DM me your introductions. Rumpi, if you are getting more introductions, please do let me know.
Yeah, I didn't get.
कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. It's a Saturday, and It happens. Weekend है, चलता है. अरे मेरा कैमरा भी गया. बताओ. Second. Nobody. Okay, let's wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start. Anybody would like to introduce themselves? My name is Kushal Shah. I'm from Kolkata, currently doing BBA third year. Kushal, buddy, if you don't mind, you can unmute yourself. Yeah, who is it?
Hi, sir. Munish this side.
Hi, Murnish.
Yeah, sir. Recently, I have graduated from BJMC, and currently, my friend is working in one of startup of Event Express company. So we just want to know that how to promote our products through digital marketing. So that's why I'm attending this seminar to know everything about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. I'll try my best so to give you as many relevant insights as possible, Monish. Make sure that this session is relevant as well as enjoyable for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have more introductions now. Kushal, Kolkata, doing BBA. Tanvi, working on Google as a channel with Merkle Sokrati, aiming to understand omni-channel marketing. So Tanvi, we can connect offline to discuss this. It's not about omni-channel today. It's more about mindset and content creation. The title we had to keep fancy. Being digital marketers, we understand what clickbait does to our audiences, so we had to do those things. Anyway, the presentation is still going to be very relevant and useful for you. Just that we are not going to go in depth of omni-channel today. Not in today's class. Rishikant from Mumbai, currently pursuing MBA first year, decided to do specialization in marketing. Rishikant, welcome to the class. Ajay, run a marketing agency, Social Derma, to help dermatologists get more patients and build a personal brand. Awesome, Ajay. Welcome. Kamaljeet, I'm a digital marketing intern in a PR agency. I just started my internship. Superb, yeah. Superb. We have all the people who will benefit immensely from this. And before I start, I would like to understand one thing. How many of you are currently facing problems, especially when it comes to creating content? How many of you absolutely go nuts when it comes to creating content? And how many of you think that content creation will die off or will fade off soon? How many of you guys believe that such a thing is going to happen? Yogesh Raj is saying, I completed B. Should I do MBA or do some digital marketing courses? Yogesh Raj will come to your concern towards the end of the session. Okay, we have more. I'm a business development executive at a digital agency and currently doing post-graduation in digital marketing to open my startup in 2 years. Super. All right. So coming back to the question, I want to ask you, how many of you are facing problems when it comes to visualizing content, creating content, launching a piece of content, and then actually, having that mindset कि नहीं यार content हो जाएगा या content में बड़ी दिक्कत आ रही. Kushal Shaw has raised his hand. You may please unmute yourself.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, basically, I've learned digital marketing, but exactly, I just wanted to know more that how the strategy we can use. Because sometimes Facebook marketing and sometimes we have to build up the connection. But I exactly don't know that how to build it up easy because it's not so easy to cope up with people. And people
That is
don't get
true.
this value.
That is true.
So that's the reason I've joined this seminar to learn more about the strategy. And I've seen your YouTube channel also. That's why I'm engaged more to know.
Wow. Okay. That's great. Which one did you see? I have two actually. Did you see the one with my name, Dheeraj Thukral? Is it?
Yes.
Okay, great. So Kushal, you know that I don't have a habit to mince any kind of words. I am a very straight person, talk straight, act straight.
Very honestly.
So that is what we're gonna do today. Okay, anyway, let me share my screen. Let me open that PPT. Rumpi, can you please send me that link again? I think I have it on my email. So let's start officially now. Yeah, got it.
Did you? Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna quickly download it and start. Okay. Yeah. So let me share my screen now. You guys can see my screen. Everybody type yes in the chat
Yes, yes.
and DM it to me. Yes. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. So let me first introduce myself. For those of you who already know me, they must be engaging with me regularly, but I'll just still open my profile on LinkedIn and tell you who I am. So hi guys, my name is Dheeraj. I'm a digital marketing trainer, consultant, speaker, coach. I have delivered a lot of guest lectures in IIM Udaipur. If you guys have heard, IIM Udaipur just launched their own, specialization in digital marketing and all that. So I'm guest lecturing at IIM Udaipur. I have guest lectured twice at ISB Hyderabad. Uh, a lot of industry experience in digital marketing, worked in 3 agencies, have my own family business that relies extensively on digital marketing. I've been in this industry for the last 7 years. I've been doing a lot of freelancing way before I even joined college in class 12th itself. So, and I'm currently a student at the Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. So far in these 7 years, I've consulted more than 25 companies. I have worked with clients from all shapes and sizes, from very small early stage startups to very big clients like Vodafone, Airtel, House of Vanita Dongre, Hertz, Medela, all these companies. So my specialization, or my, you can say my experience, ranges from healthcare to edtech, uh, all the way to apparels and fashion and all those industries. But my dearest industry is edtech. So I'm currently building something of my own in the edtech sector, uh, which you will know about me very soon. Okay, now let's start officially. What do you think we're going to discuss here? So I have some certain idea. Let me just play it from the current slide. Yeah. So what do you think we're going to discuss here? What exactly do you think we are going to discuss here? I'm going to talk about a lot of case studies. Am I going to talk about a lot of number crunching? What is it going to be about? What do you think this entire thing is about? And do you really think that it is going to be something that you have not heard before? Do you think that it is going to be something that you've not heard before, or something which is completely out of the box? Anybody wants to take a shot at it? That what exactly are we going to discuss? What is this session going to be about? Why am I spending time on Saturday afternoon with Mr. Dheeraj discussing? So digital marketing for startups. Okay. Basics. Okay. So Poojan has said that we're going to discuss basics. Now, before we're going to go to basics, I want to understand from you guys, what do you think is a strategy? What is a strategy? What do you think is a strategy? Anybody would like to unmute? And so I have a habit of drilling down deep into the subject, so some people might find it a little bit annoying. I'm apologizing in advance, but I have this habit of actually questioning the keywords and phrases, because I really want you guys to think deeply before you act sincerely. Okay, so what do you think is strategy? Anybody would like to? So Poojan is saying structured planning. How many of you agree with Poojan, or anybody wants to unmute and wants to contribute, wants to say something, wants to add on to what Poojan is saying? Come on guys, let's make it interactive. मैं तो सेमिनार देके निकल जाऊंगा, मेरे को क्या, मैं पैसे भी मिल जाएंगे. It is you guys who have to benefit. So please participate. What exactly is a strategy? Plan in a particular direction. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? You guys can unmute yourself. You know that, right? More. Come on. More responses, please. Structured planning in a particular direction. Is that what strategy is? Is that what a strategy is? That's it.
I think adding to before the planning and structure, having a long-term vision. Correct. For why we are doing right. What we are aiming to do, and then building a roadmap to achieving that goal through planning and having a structure in place.
That's correct. So if I have to ask you as a layman, somebody who has, let's say you have never done strategy, would you say that strategy is only about planning? or is it only about executing, or it's a mix of both? And how much percentage do you think, okay, itna percent planning hona chahiye, itna percent execution hona chahiye? Is it all planning, or is it just planning, or is it a little bit of execution as well? Think from a very small business perspective. Okay, let's say you opened a website. You are an e-commerce company. You are, let's say, giving out some, let's say, men's clothing or women's clothing. Now, what clothes you want to give out, that's your wish. Now, when you say that you want to build a strategy from a business perspective, from a small business perspective, how much do you think will go into planning and how much do you think will go into execution? Because see, the way small companies and big companies operate is a very different, it's a very different thing. It's a very different philosophy. It's a very different league. I hope you guys are able to appreciate and understand why we are discussing this. So how much do you think goes into planning and how much do you think goes into execution when it comes to small business strategy? Come on, guys. I'll keep bugging you like this if I don't get answers. I'm a very ziddi aadmi.
First, we go in the planning.
So Kushal, you were saying that we spend more time planning, is it?
Yes.
Less time execution.
Yes.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody who would like to add on to what Kushal has said or has a different point of view from what Kushal is saying?
Just agreeing with Kushal, I think planning, because we like a small business would have limited resources, so we don't want to have our execution scattered.
Exactly. So basically, when you are in a small business, the stakes are very high. The resources are limited.
I want to add something.
Yes, please.
Yes, if it is a small business, then means usually we need to plan it first, because it's a plan of marketing. So before executing any plan, we need to know that how we need to market such things. Suppose a product also, then how we will market, what are the things that how we will connect with the people. So these are the things that are being required. So planning is the most important part in each and every purpose in life also.
Okay, that's a very good point, Kushal. Hold on to that thought. I would like to reiterate what Poojan is saying. I would give more preference to planning and have a though supporting it. I don't know what that means. If only I had an hour to chop down a tree, I would spend first 45 minutes sharpening my axe. Abraham Lincoln. Very nice. Okay, but guys, here comes the bummer. In the world of social media, how much can you plan? Do you think you have the algorithm in control? Do you think you have anything in control as a small business? If you don't have the money, can you control YouTube's algorithm? Can you control Facebook's algorithm? You don't want to spend too much money on ads. I believe this is the basic premise of a small business. Act frugal. Frugality is at the core with which any small business operates. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Right? So let's ask what Google Bhaiya ji has to say about this. Google ji says a plan of action designed to achieve a long-term or overall aim. So 10 on 10 to the person who did this. And if we have to talk in terms of military sciences, it says that the art of planning and directing overall military operations and movements in a war of battle. Nice. Okay. So, but the thing is ki, when we talk about strategy, this is a very fancy word, na? And when it comes to sounding fancy, we all just love complicated things, right? So I think there is one guy who is running an agency for dermatologists. I don't know if you can please raise your hand once again. I want to ask you this question. So this is a complete digital marketing strategy roadmap. Okay, it has basically everything that a company would need to make their strategy successful. How many things do you think your agency is doing right now? And how many things do you think are in your control at the moment? See, the aim of this workshop is not to tell you just numbers and Excel sheets and okay, bye-bye. The aim of this workshop is to give you the right mindset, because if your mindset is right, your execution will be flawless. But if your mindset is skewed, you cannot create any strategy. I just want to bring into that light what exactly the problems that we face and how differently our assumptions, keep us in the dark when it comes to executing any kind of strategy. So how many of you guys who are working in agencies or digital marketing, how many of you do everything that is given here, every single point? Link building, on page, off page, site architecture, technical roadblocks, personas, positioning, messaging, audience opportunity, split and multivariate, usability testing. Does it sound overwhelming, or does it sound simple just by the look at it? That's a comprehensive digital marketing strategy roadmap. Does it look easy to you? Does it look difficult to you? Yes and no's, please. Or any answers that you want to give. How many of you are doing this? Benefits oriented copy, linkable assets, heat mapping, exit and in-page surveys. How many of you are doing this? Can you display full screen? Is my screen not properly visible? Let me.
Yes, yeah, now it's visible.
Better. Sorry about that. Really sorry. Yeah, you guys can see this. How many of you are doing everything? How many of you are doing every single thing given here? The people who are in the marketing domain, the people who are in top tier agencies, how many of you are doing every single thing? Are you doing everything? Are you missing something? And do you think doing everything is right? Should you be doing everything as a marketer? Should you be aiming to do every single thing? I would love to hear from you. See, we have a lot of case studies to discuss, so don't worry about case studies. Let's first work on our mindset. Should you do everything? Yes or no? Why not? And if yes, why? Rishikant says no. Why not? Why not? You are a digital marketing expert, right? You have done your course, you have become a digital marketing expert, then why not everything? As a small business, the stakes are very high. Why not everything? Okay, since nobody is responding, I would just like to say, it's not possible. Is it possible? It's not possible. See, when you read something, when you look at something in books, or when you do a course, everything looks fancy. Everything looks fancy. Everything looks like कि अरे यार ये भी कर लेंगे, वो भी कर लेंगे, ये भी कर लेंगे, वो भी कर लेंगे. लेकिन जब करने बैठते हैं ना, जब वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट बनाने बैठते हैं, तो एक चीज नहीं बनती. Yes or no? How many of you have personally faced these obstacles?
I agree with this.
You've learned so much. You've learned SEO, you've learned Google AdWords, you've learned Facebook marketing. But when it comes to executing it, okay, let alone executing, when it comes to planning it, it is not humanly possible for a single guy to do every single thing. So what happens when we are unable to do things? We begin to doubt ourselves. Yes or no? We begin to doubt ourselves. अरे मैंने ही कुछ गलती कर दी होगी यार, मैं क्यों सो रहा था क्लास में, क्यों मिस करी वो वाली क्लास, मेरी गलती है. Yes. And as an entrepreneur, this thing can kill you from inside. It can kill you from inside. It will hurt your confidence to such an extent you will feel like shutting down the business and going back to your old life. And believe me, when I'm saying this, I have personally experienced this. I have 2 failed businesses to my name. 2 failed businesses. Currently running a shot at the 3rd one. So you guys agree with it? Kushal agrees, Anirudh agrees. Yes? All the future entrepreneurs, yes or no? Yes or no? So the first lesson is, what is the first lesson? Everything is not under your control. You have to carve a specialization for yourself. Yes or no? Yes or no? One thing, you first have to become good at one thing. Focus on one channel exclusively. Because if you are able to generate a lot of traffic from one channel, everything else gets sorted. Because for everything else, you can build a team. But if you are not good at one single thing, for me, that is Google Ads. For me, that is YouTube. If I'm not good at one thing, I can never convince my customer कि भाई this is कि मेरा ये business है, आइए खरीदिए. नहीं तो क्या होता है ना, I'll tell you what happens. So let's see the reality. So I was just reading an article on Economic Times, which said that there are 7 reasons for digital marketing failure in startups. And let me tell you, that number is exceedingly high. That number is 95%. Would you agree with me? 95% of small businesses are unable to market themselves, and marketing is one of the biggest reasons why customers leave a business and then business cease to exist. Yes or no? You must have heard from people, right, that 90% startups fail within the first year. Yes. What do you think is the number one reason? Marketing. Yes. Any other reason? Come on, guys. We are all future entrepreneurs. We are all future digital marketing experts. We are all future marketeers. We can't be keeping quiet in a marketing seminar. Go on. Shout your heart out. Come on. Go ahead. मैं तो करा के चले जाऊंगा, मेरा क्या है? Anybody? Tanvi, anything from your side?
Aiming too high too soon.
Correct. So when you say aiming too high, it probably means getting a lot of customers on board in a short span of time.
Yes.
Invariably, it means marketing.
Yeah.
Because if the marketing strategy
yes.
is good, more people are gonna join. Yes
Yeah,
or no?
yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely, but they will see basically the idea, and if it is about the product that what we are selling, then it will be, means according to me, the product will be the main thing that people will get connected, I guess.
Kushal, I agree with you, but I don't agree with you 100%. I agree with you 50%. You know why? And I'm going to show you an example towards the end of it. See, we are living in a world of social influencers. Would you agree with me?
Yes, exactly.
Definitely.
If you love someone, okay, if you love someone and that person has millions of subscribers on YouTube, I can guarantee you that person will at least be profitable in the short term, obviously not in the long term. So yes, Kushal, your point is right. अगर product में दम नहीं है तो वैसे फुस है वो कंपनी. लेकिन मैं एक बात बता दूं आप लोगों को, अभी आप लोगों ने इंटेलेक्चुअल इंडीज का नाम सुना, you guys have heard of Sahil Khanna? Anybody? Biggest digital marketing channel, biggest entrepreneurship channel on YouTube, 1 million subscribers. You guys have heard of Vivek Bindra. You guys have heard of Sonu Sharma. You guys have heard of all these big stalwarts of YouTube. Yes.
Yes.
Their products are parked.
Network marketing.
Yes. So he's not exactly into network marketing, but now he has changed his domain into motivational and all that. But before that, he was into network marketing coaching only. So you're right. You think that these guys will experience failure in the first month or in the first year of their products? People with such huge influence, people with such huge traffic, do you think people will be hesitant to even try their product? Do you think acquiring customers for them is a challenge? Do you think that's the case? Do you think acquisition is the biggest challenge for these people? What do you think? Is it a challenge? Or is it a smaller challenge? Is it a big challenge?
For them, it's a smaller challenge, I guess.
Okay. Tanvi, go on, please.
Yeah, acquisition shouldn't be a challenge because they've already created a brand of themselves.
Exactly. Now, guys, एक बात देखो. What is the number one challenge for a digital marketing company? Come on, don't lie to me if you say that it is not acquisition. Is it not acquisition for a small company? कि सर मेरा प्रोडक्ट एक बार ट्राई तो कर लो. अगर वो एक्विजिशन का चैलेंज ही हट गया, if that challenge is gone, then what else is left? Retaining them, है ना? So when it comes to retention, the product has to perform. But when it comes to acquisition, it's not the product, but the person. Yes. So will your traditional concepts of SEO, content marketing, all the fancy things that we just saw, these things, do you think it leaves any scope or any relevance for these people? There is a guy called Pushkar Raj Thakur. He has around 25 lakh subscribers. Let me tell you, he earns on an average 14 CR a year just by selling courses, which are hugely inflated, and nobody dares to bat an eye. Do you think he knows segmentation strategy, campaign strategy, technical roadblocks? No, I really doubt. I doubt he knows all this. What do you think? Am I able to change that mindset within you? Am I able to give you one reason to consider content marketing as beyond any strategy that you will ever learn in your life? Am I successful in bringing that in front of you? What do you think? Yes, no, yes, no. Come on, guys. If you don't agree with me, just let me know. We have a lot of time. अभी सिर्फ 18 मिनट हुए हैं यार, मेरे पास 1 घंटा है. आपको क्या लग रहा था मैं 5 मिनट में करके थोड़ी ना जाऊंगा? बातें भी तो करनी है. Guys, yes, no. Okay, let me cold call now. Yogesh, Winchell, Saima, Subhadeep. Saima, you're awfully quiet today. I don't know why. Poojan, Veeras, Sabarish, Kamaljeet, Rishikant, Bijoy, Ankit, Anirudh, Ajay, Sneha, Vaibhav, Pradeep, Vidhi, Srikar, Vahidehi. We have so many people, but I am getting only responses from 2 people. Why? You guys don't want to learn strategy, is it? You guys are not interested in learning strategy, is it? No response. Come on, guys. मेरे नाम में ही धीरज है. मेरे नाम में ही धीरज है. तुम ले लो पेशेंस का टेस्ट. मैं ले लूंगा. मैं कर लूंगा. No problem. No? Chalo, no problem. We move on. So this is the article I read on Economic Times. And in that Economic Times article, it says that the reason why most digital marketing companies fail is because of this. It is because they don't measure the cost per acquisition. They believe that digital marketing belongs in technology department. Business owners think that outsourcing is the solution. They hired a digital marketing professional at their ignorance, doing social media because everyone is doing and expect overnight success. Let's take one point, one after the other. What do you mean by they don't measure cost per acquisition? As a small business, what do you think? Why do you think this article is saying they don't measure cost per acquisition? What is cost per acquisition? Anybody care to explain? What is cost per acquisition?
Yeah, I think it's like to get a client, we have to invest. So what will be the exact investment? Like we think like we can get a client through just dial or some other sources.
Okay. Exactly, Pradeep. So it's a very linear thinking, very linear approach. पैसा डाला, client आ गया, बात खत्म.
Yeah, exactly.
आगे बढ़ो. Right? पैसा डाला, बात खत्म.
हाँ.
So when it says they don't measure the cost per acquisition, इसका मतलब अंधा पैसा डाल रहे हैं.
Agree.
Facebook ad चला दी तो चला ही दी यार, ठीक है यार, आ जाएंगे कस्टमर.
Yeah, because they mostly believe in their skills only. They are not studying the market. उनको लग रहा है पैसा डाल दिया हो जाएगा, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं.
So they think that digital marketing क्या है? Ad चलाओ, बात खत्म.
Yeah, I agree. Completely.
खत्म.
ऐसा नहीं होता लेकिन. Yeah.
Exactly. Then they believe that digital marketing belongs in technology department. इसका क्या मतलब है?
The first one is related to the second. Like don't measure the cost per. जैसे हम लोग टेक्नोलॉजी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्किलफुल बंदा है. He thinks that मेरे को आता है सब कुछ, पैसा डाल दो तो हो जाएगा. But it is not actually technology driven. It is actually the marketing driven. Like how we market our business, how we study our business, and how we can acquire the client. So it is interlinked, basically. Correct.
Okay, now I want somebody else also. Pradeep, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much for participating.
Yeah.
Business owners think that outsourcing is the solution. Guilty? Anybody guilty?
Yeah.
को लगता है स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर ऐसे ही सोचते हैं, अरे आउटसोर्स करो, हमें नहीं आती, मार्केटिंग एजेंसी को पकड़ो, 15,000 रुपए चिपकाओ, निकालो इसको यहाँ से.
मेजॉरिटी ऐसे ही कर रहे हैं.
एग्जैक्टली, इसलिए फेल हो रहे हैं.
या क्योंकि ट्रैक नहीं कर पा रहे काम.
एग्जैक्टली. प्रदीप, थोड़ा सा ना आपका बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ रहा है. एक सेकंड, यहाँ मेरा कैमरा.
ओके, 1 सेकंड चेक कर लेता हूं.
Not Pradeep, actually some other person.
Okay. I think so my camera is not working. Hold on, I'll just activate it again. Hanji, I think somebody else was also Kushal, I believe. You wanted to?
No, I was not there. My mic was muted.
I think some lady was speaking. Yeah.
Okay. Anybody wanted to add? Something? Nobody. Chalo, koi baat nahi. Then we have another point. Hired a digital marketing professional at their ignorance. इसका क्या मतलब होता है? सर, मैंने धीरज से बात की थी, वो कह रहा था सस्ते में कर देगा, उससे कर दूं क्या? उससे ले लूं क्या? हाँ, ले लो यार, ठीक है. हम अपना प्रोडक्ट में फोकस करते हैं, मार्केटिंग बेकार चीज है, कुछ नहीं होता. राइट?
या
doing social media because everyone is doing. अच्छा, B2B companies next level की गलती. You know, so we have a lot of rubber factories in Faridabad. We have a lot of these power plants, steel plants. We have factories who create gas turbines. Do you think that they should be advertising on Facebook? How many of you think?
No, I don't agree. All B2B needs social media.
They need social media, sir.
But not everyone. Not everyone. Like I am working for agency. We have like many B2B big clients, and most of this upfronts is that we already have offline marketing and they are doing well. We just need online presence. Yeah.
Correct. So, okay. So let me come to your point, Pradeep, once again.
Yeah.
Anybody else would like to add to this point? I believe somebody had raised their hand. Hanji, anybody else? Nobody.
I just want to add to doing social media because everyone is doing. I just want to take this point and say something.
But Kushal, okay, let me come to that in the next slide. And they expect overnight success. Yes. यार तुमको लास्ट मंथ 15,000 रुपए दिया था, एक भी सेल नहीं आया, बेकार काम कर रहे हो तुम. Yes.
Yeah, client expect that. Yeah, overnight success.
Yes. Because my friend, this is India.
This is not
possible. ये इंडिया है और
एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज्यादा है.
बहुत ज्यादा है. अभी जियो धन ढंग से चला भी नहीं है, लेकिन एक्सपेक्टेशन ऐसी है कि भैया नासा पहुंच गए हम, चांद पे पहुंच गए हम. तुमने ऐड चलाई, सेल क्यों नहीं आई? मुझे 1-1 रुपए का खर्चा चाहिए, मुझे 1-1 रुपए का हिसाब चाहिए. बट सर, कैंपेन आपने कंजूसी करी. अरे मेरे को नहीं पता, तुम बेकार हो, तुम्हारी गलती है, मेरी गलती नहीं है, तुम्हारी गलती है. And this is coming with from 7 years of experience, guys, with small businesses. And please don't get offended. I'm not saying everybody does it, but a large, overwhelming majority of people, they think like this. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, guys in the chat.
Exactly.
Yes, no.
Exactly.
Yeah, this happens. Yeah.
This happens. And when you guys, then you go to YouTube and then you type, oh my God, digital marketing is a booming industry, $50 billion, $10 billion. फिर जब market जाते हो, अरे कोई 15,000 भी नहीं दे रहा. So I'm not saying that digital marketing is bad. I'm saying the way you need to market yourself has to change, and you don't need to work with everybody. So learning number two. What was the first learning? Nothing is in your control. You have to focus on a few things at a time. Yes, everybody agree with me. देखो आते ही learning हो गई. Learning number 2 क्या है दोस्तों? Don't work with everybody.
Yeah. Industry wise aggregate करनी.
Don't work with everybody. Yes. चलो आगे चलते हैं. So, what is the real problem? People think digital marketing as a means to an end, whereas it's a never-ending journey. Yes, guys. In the chat, yes, no. Do you think
No.
एक महीना डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करके बात खत्म हो गई? एक महीना फेसबुक एड्स चलाई, बात खत्म हो गई? क्या ऐसा होता है क्या? It has to be continuous process. Kushal, you were saying no. Anybody? Nobody? So what is your reasoning of the no? Are you agreeing with me or are you saying no, Dheeraj, you're wrong?
No, I am exactly, you are in point. I
Okay.
was just saying that it's just like a car. जैसे अगर फॉर एग्जांपल हम लोग गाड़ी चला रहे हैं और अगर हम गाड़ी चलाना छोड़ दिए तो फिर क्या
Right.
होता है, हम लोग सब भूल जाते हैं. तो वैसे ही डिजिटल मार्केटिंग है, एक बार अगर स्टार्ट कर दिए उसको कांस्टेंट रखना पड़ता है.
बिल्कुल. और दूसरी चीज क्या है? कांस्टेंट तो रखना पड़ता है, लेकिन डेटा हमारे भगवान जी हैं. डेटा, कोई भी चीज आप बिना डेटा के ऑपरेट मत करो. पहले चलाओ, डेटा आएगा, उसके बाद देखो. मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको एड अकाउंट्स वगैरह, चिंता मत करो. सबकी बात होगी. इवन इफ आई हैव टू स्ट्रेच बाय 10-15 मिनट्स, आई डोंट माइंड. ओके, हियर्स व्हाट आई फील. कंटेंट डज नॉट मैटर. पैसा लगाओ और रीच लाओ. जुगाड़ एटीट्यूड. वी आर फेमस फॉर दिस. इंडियंस आर फेमस फॉर जुगाड़. माई सेल्फ इंक्लूडेड, माई सेल्फ गिल्टी. तू कितने में करेगा ये बता. कटिंग कॉर्नर्स इज आवर फेवरेट पास टाइम. यस. Anybody wanted to say something? तू कितने में करेगा ये बता. How many of you have experienced this? Especially happens a lot with content writers. You are doing at 50 paisa per word. No, I want some people. I have people who are ready to do it at 20 paisa per word. But sir, the quality. अरे कुछ नहीं होता है यार. Content तो content होता है. सुना है आप लोगों ने ऐसा? क्या हुआ? लोग
बहुत
कुछ लोगों की शक्लें क्यों उतर गई आज की? यार मैं तो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की बड़ी तारीफें सुन के आया था, यहाँ तो पोले खोल रहा है। पोले नहीं खोल रहा हूँ भाई, मार्केट बहुत बड़ी है लेकिन मार्केट थोड़ी इवॉल्व नहीं है, तो मार्केट को इवॉल्व होने में टाइम लगेगा, लेकिन ये आपके लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है और ये आपके लिए एक थ्रेट भी है। अब आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है आपने कैसे करना है इसको। ओके, बजट नहीं है, ऑर्गेनिक लेके आओ। एब्सोल्यूट हेजिटेंस टुवर्ड्स पीपीसी। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस? पैसे नहीं है, ऑर्गेनिकली लेके आओ। यूट्यूब पे व्यूज नहीं आ रहे, मुझे नहीं पता। कुशल, यस
Pradeep is also saying yes.
yes
We have
yes
experience.
right. And we don't need a full-time guy, we have a lot of marketing managers but they don't know digital marketing. तो क्या हो गया? तुम समझा देना उनको, वो समझ जाएंगे। yes again yes or no. अच्छा guys, you have to DM me, okay? मेरे पास नहीं आ रहे आंसर्स, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है। You guys are not responding or not. You have to DM me. You have to DM me, okay? So maybe you're DMing it to Antwork team. You have to DM me so that I can track your comments. Okay. And my favorite is all marketing agencies are scam. I have heard this phrase a million times. तो मैं किसी को कुछ नहीं आता, हम फुल टाइम बिठाएंगे, फिर वो फुल टाइम भी नहीं बिठाते। So see, there is a wide combination of factors. There are a wide combination of factors that are responsible for this huge mistrust and lack of governance in digital marketing when it comes to digital marketing in small business. You guys agree with me? So how do you address this problem? How do you address this problem? Anybody would like to add something?
Sir,
How?
can,
Yeah.
So can you please explain the fifth point? I was
Fifth point in the last slide.
Yes, sir.
ये वाला कौन सा वाला point?
We don't need a full time.
Okay, we don't need a full time. Anybody care to explain what this means? Pradeep or Kushal or anybody else, or Tanvi for that matter? Or
yeah, like a marketing manager, like उनको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग नॉलेज हो या ना हो, लाइक वो जुगाड़ वर्जन होता है, पीपल से दैट कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा, वो उस पे डिपेंड जाता होता है, लेकिन एक्चुअली वो उनको कितना आता है उस पे ध्यान नहीं देते, तो ये मोस्टली ऐसे ही वो चल रहा है।
करेक्ट। सो समझ में आया वैभव आपको? जो पुराने एम्प्लॉइज बैठे हैं ना वहां पे, और आप मान लो एज एन एजेंसी जा रहे हो, वो आपको बोलेंगे आप बस बताओ आप हमको कितना कितना छोटा छोटा काम करके दे सकते हो, बाकी बड़े काम के लिए हमारे पास मार्केटिंग मैनेजर्स बैठे हैं, उनको आता नहीं आता होगा वो उससे मतलब नहीं है, हमारे पास बैठे हैं, हम कर लेंगे, वी विल मैनेज। बट वो कितना मैनेज कर पाते हैं वही जानते हैं, कितना मैनेज कर पाते हैं वही जानते हैं। ठीक है जी। And all marketing agencies are scam. ये मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because I have worked with a lot of clients who said that I have shuffled so many agencies and I always fail to get the kind of results. Why do you think this happens, yaar? Why do you think there is so much mistrust when it comes to, you know, some people work with agencies and after that they're saying that, you know, all agencies are scam, I don't trust you people, you guys don't.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Like I think that only the reputed agencies are doing the job well, and the other agencies are just for the namesake. They don't have the skillful person, they don't keep themselves updated with the industry, and that's the reason they are not able to give the results. And second thing, they charges very less. Like if the reputed agency is charging around 50K or 1K, then the lower agency, the newer agency, they charges 10,000, 20,000, that's it, and they see that हाँ कर लेंगे हम लोग इसमें, and the client would feel that यार budget बहुत low है, we can go to this agency. And I was working I will just share my example with one of the e-learning company. They were outsourcing the thing to one of the good agency, and they were not doing any kind of work because the e-learning industry people were not having any knowledge of digital marketing. Then they hired me and I audited all the things and I said that they are not doing any kind of work and we are not moving anywhere. And suddenly the people came and we had a discussion and I have shown that these are the loopholes and we don't want to continue. So ये एक mindset इसलिए बन चुका है, इसलिए अच्छे एजेंसीज भी है ना फेल हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि मार्केट में बहुत सारा ये फेल गया कि एजेंसी स्कैम ही करते हैं, अच्छा काम नहीं करते।
एग्जैक्टली, बिल्कुल। दूसरी बात ये भी है सर कि ना, जैसे कि हमने पहले बात करी थी, ओवर रियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस। मैंने अभी एक क्लाइंट के साथ काम किया, 1 साल तक मैं काम करता, उनका नाम नहीं लूंगा, 1 साल तक काम किया, 3.5 करोड़ रुपए की रेवेन्यू जनरेट करके दी। पिछले 11 महीने से उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बोला कि भाई ये, तब तो बहुत बढ़िया, अरे वाह मजा आ गया मजा आ गया। सडनली वन डे वो कहते हैं बस 3.5 करोड़। मैंने कहा सर बात कब हुई थी? तो नहीं 3.5 करोड़ तो बहुत कम है, हम तो कम से कम 6 से 7 एक्सपेक्ट करे थे। मैंने कहा आपने मुझे कब बताया? तो वो बहाने फिर ढूंढते हैं। जी, इनके में ये भी होता है, बहुत सारी कंपनीज में, स्मॉल बिजनेस में ये भी होता है कि एक बार अगर हमने सब सीख लिया तो वी आर सेल्फ सफिशिएंट टू मैनेज इट, फिर छोड़ो यार, बस जस्ट गेट देम आउट।
और एक और पॉइंट ऐड करना चाहता हूँ, लाइक एजेंसी के पास काम देते हैं और उनको एजेंसी से है ना काम सीख लेते हैं और इन हाउस टीम बिठा देते हैं, तो उनको हटाने के लिए भी बोलते हैं कि काम नहीं हो रहा है।
Which is not wrong. I wouldn't say that it's wrong. हाँ.
But it doesn't work always because जब वो हायर करते हैं तो उनको ये नहीं पता होता क्या क्या बोलते हैं ना KPI होनी चाहिए हर एक डिपार्टमेंट के लिए, वो सेट नहीं कर पाते और फिर वहां पे भी फेल होते, फिर आगे वो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी के पास जाते हैं।
Yes.
ये भी होता है।
Yes, that's the reality. So guys, I want to ask you, अभी तक आप लोगों ने क्या समझा? अभी तक आपको जो भी हमने बातें बोली, what did you guys understand? And first of all, I would want to understand, was it relevant what we covered? Was it relevant what we covered?
Yeah, it was relevant.
Very relevant.
Right. Rishikant says yes. Anybody else who has a different thought, point of view said, nahi sir, nahi relevant, nahi tha, aage badho, something like that. Anybody who was not satisfied with it? Relevant? See guys, I want to prepare you for what's about to come. Okay? Please don't fall for the gimmicks that just don't look at the market numbers. Yeah, look at your, okay, Tanvi, I didn't mean to scare you also. See, I have been in this industry for the last 7 years. And I started to know about this reality since the second year itself. I understood कि ये industry ऐसे काम करती है. जब COVID आया था guys, scary था, बहुत scary था, है ना? लोग यार, people were dying left, right, and center. You know, there was such a lack of healthcare in our country, and it got exposed under the radar in bright light, in daylight, in broad daylight. But even then, some companies, they thrived. Yes, would you believe? EdTech companies, they thrived. And then there were so many other companies that thrived. E-commerce, it flourished. It flourished like anything. Nowadays, people are doing revenge buying. You know that? You understand the term revenge buying? You know what revenge buying means? कि भाई मैंने जो लॉकडाउन में नहीं खरीदा था, अब खरीदूंगा, बहुत हो गया, खरीदूंगा. So in every moment of crisis, in every crisis, there is an opportunity. Yes. So you have to be smart that if you really want to build a career in this field, you need to know the entire picture. Now, why do you only want to know the sweet stuff? Why not the scary stuff? If you know the scary stuff, you'll be better prepared. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Right. So please don't get scared, yaar. Please don't get. ऐसे तो यार 12 लाख लोग रुपए, 12 लाख बच्चे जेई का पेपर दे रहे हैं, उसमें से 1% से भी कम जाता है आईटी. हम तब क्यों नहीं डरते? क्यों बैठ जाते हैं जेई देने? नीट में कितने बच्चे, लाखों बच्चे नीट का पेपर देते हैं, हम तब क्यों नहीं डरते? वो भी तो स्केरी है. यहाँ क्यों डर रहे हैं? So please don't get scared. It's okay to know the reality so that you can tailor your work and, you know, deliver the work in such a way that you are also satisfied, the client is also satisfied, and you don't get afraid of the failures, because let me tell you, failures are going to be a part of your life in this field. India is not a country where digital marketing has evolved to such a huge scale that I can proudly say कि नहीं यार, बहुत market है, बहुत opportunity है. Market बहुत बड़ी है, opportunity बहुत बड़ी है, लेकिन be prepared to face the ups and downs. And I think Pradeep and all the other people who have been contributing so far, they would agree with me because they have personally experienced it themselves. But it's fun, it is challenging. And once you create a niche for yourself, it becomes very rewarding. I have the second company that I joined, the Brand B, Deeptanshu Bansal was the name of the guy. Excellent guy, yaar. What a guy. उसके उन्होंने इतने सारे क्लाइंट्स अंदर लिए और इतने सारे क्लाइंट्स उनके निकलते गए, कभी एक बार भी चेहरे पे एक शिकन नहीं आई, यार ये क्लाइंट चला गया. मैंने बोला भी, मैंने कहा सर ये भी क्लाइंट चला गया, ये भी चला गया. हाँ तो क्या हो गया, और आ जाएंगे. If this is not your attitude, you cannot survive in this industry, whether it is a job, whether it is a agency business or a freelancing or whatever, in whatever consultative capacity you want to do. Am I clear, guys? Should we go to the practical stuff now?
Yes, very clear.
Yeah, Dheeraj, just a time check. It's 1:22.
Yeah, I'll just take a few minutes extra if that's okay, Rumpi. Just a few
Okay,
minutes
that's
extra.
fine. Okay, that's fine.
Because I really wanted to get this thing across. I have taken a few minutes extra for this, I know that, but we started 10 minutes late, also around 5-7 minutes late. So I'm just going to take into consideration that thing as well. Chalo, let me go back now. So what I feel is you have to think like a content creator. Now this must be a very jhatka sa, thing. Why, if you want to address this, why do you have to think like a content creator? Anybody would like to add, why do you have to think like a content creator? Let me tell you, content creators are a perfect extension of a digital marketing. Would you believe me? Would you agree with this statement? Anybody?
Yeah, I agree with you.
I also agree.
I'll tell you why, and it's fascinating. It is fascinating. Why? Because they are not afraid of failures. यार वो कभी डरते ही नहीं है. नहीं चला वीडियो, नहीं चला तो क्या हो गया? कभी रिस्क लेने से नहीं डरते. Have you seen technical गुरुजी ever saying कि यार मैं चैनल बंद कर रहा हूँ, तुम लोग व्यूज नहीं दे रहे यार, निकलो यहाँ से? कभी नहीं बोलेगा. चल गया, नहीं चला कोई बात नहीं, अगला, कोई बात नहीं, अगला. तो क्लाइंट्स के साथ भी तो यही होता है ना, एक क्लाइंट ने कोई दिक्कत नहीं सर, थैंक यू, आगे बढ़ो, थैंक यू, आगे बढ़ो. They love challenges. And digital marketing is filled with challenges. Yes or no? You don't know which campaign you will create and which campaign will fail. You don't know that. You can never estimate that. Never in your life can you estimate कि तुमने कितनी भी मेहनत कर ली, तुमने कितने भी ग्राफिक्स और क्रिएटिव्स बना दिए भैया, बढ़िया से बढ़िया मूवी बना दी, वो चले ना चले तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है. It's a challenge. And one of the things that I'm more interested in is this thing. They connect with their audiences on a deeper level. How many of you believe me when I say that they connect with their audience on a deeper level? ये जो चीज, ये जो पॉइंट है ना सर, ये जैकपॉट है. यस, और इस पे मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, इस पे कोई ध्यान नहीं देता. Would you agree with me? एजेंसी हो, चाहे स्मॉल बिजनेस हो, B2B हो, B2C हो, हर कोई अपनी ऑडियंस से डीपर लेवल पे कनेक्ट कर सकता है. वो करना नहीं चाहते क्योंकि ये हार्ड है. यस, दिस इज अ हार्ड थिंग टू डू. It is hard to create content. It is hard to get noticed. It is hard to, pull people to you, right? And their research skills are impeccable. That is why the moment the workshop started, I said, how many of you feel that creating or researching for content is a very big challenge for you? And we're going to dissect that challenge, by the way. It's not going to take more than 5 minutes for me to dissect that challenge and tell you that it is possible. It is possible for you to get out of this state and create something on a large and a massive scale. And of course, they have a very thick skin. They don't get pissed off easily. They don't quit. देखा किसी को क्विट करते हुए? एक हमारे टीचर हैं, आलोक कुमार भटाडिया, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के टीचर हैं, जबरदस्त टीचर हैं. व्यूज ही नहीं आते उनके वीडियो पे. 1000, 2000, इतना ज्ञान देते हैं भाई साहब, इतना ज्ञान देते हैं, व्यूज ही नहीं आ रहे. तो उनकी भी कुछ वर्कशॉप्स वगैरह वो चलाते हैं, उनके भी कुछ एडटेक रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. मेरी उनसे बात हुई थी एक दिन, मैंने कहा सर आपके तो व्यूज ही नहीं आ रहे. कहता है भाई 1000 लोग कम है, 1000 में से 150 लोग भी ले लेना, अगर 15-20 लाख की सेल बनती है. तो क्या सीखे दोस्तों? What did you learn? Anybody would like to comment on this? क्या सीखे? Anybody? Nobody? Views don't matter. Views, subscribers don't matter. I'm going to be on your face and I'm going to say that views and subscribers don't matter. What matters is what you're saying, how you're presenting it, the way that you're presenting it, the quality, and can you connect? Can you connect with other people? And let me tell you, this is all the strategy you need. Now people will get pissed off. Shit, yaar. बस इसी के लिए बिठाया था इसने. I know this thing. ये तो बहुत elementary चीज है. But have you ever analyzed a few profiles from a strategic point of view? That is what exactly we're going to do. Can you believe that you can generate customers for yourself without spending a single amount of rupee in advertising, and generate customers that are going to stay with you for life? What I mean is repeat customers. Do you think that is possible? Do you think YouTubers or content creators on Instagram and all these places, they have this innate quality within them to achieve it? Do you think that's possible? Badabusiness.com, Dr. Vivek Bindra.
Yeah, it is possible.
It is 110% possible. What is his marketing budget? I think it must be less than 10 lakh rupees. And for him, 10 lakh is literally nothing. It is nothing. 10 lakh is zero for him. कुछ नहीं है. एक YouTube वीडियो में अगर आपके 50 लाख व्यूज आ रहे हैं, 60 लाख व्यूज आ रहे हैं, उसमें से आपको लगता है कि 5000 लोग भी आपका प्रोडक्ट नहीं खरीदेंगे? बोलो. Right? So I'm going to show you some people who have actually done it. And isn't that what a startup needs? They want to decrease their amount of cost of acquisition. They want to decrease their marketing expenses, generate more demand, decrease their expenses. Yes? Tanvi? Yes?
Yeah.
Correct?
Demand
So how
generation,
many of you want to open a small business? Now let's come to now let's try and hear it from you. How many of you want to open a business in future? How many of you want to open a business in future? There were some people who said that they want to open a business. Anybody would like to explain what industry they want to head into? Yes, please. Anybody?
Yeah, Dheeraj, yeah. I want to open a digital marketing agency because
Okay.
right now I have 10 plus years of experience. I'm working as a digital marketing expert only, but
Okay.
I'm feeling that time has come and I have to start up my own digital marketing agency. So I'm planning to do that thing in coming future. In coming future means in next 6 months. Within
Okay.
next.
Okay. So Pradeep, how would you go ahead and plan in reaching out people? How would you go ahead?
Yeah. First of all, I have to see that I have to reach through LinkedIn marketing because LinkedIn marketing is
Correct.
one of the best thing which
So when you say LinkedIn marketing, what in LinkedIn marketing?
LinkedIn marketing, like we have to do ads to LinkedIn marketing. If you have a good profile, you can post through that. You can inbox the things to them directly. We get a lot of like right now also I am getting messages like, can you do this stuff or that stuff?
Exactly.
Even yeah. So
Exactly.
LinkedIn is one of the thing which is the first thing I have to look into it.
I'll share one very nice stat with you. Okay, 1 second. So this is my LinkedIn profile, right? When you go to my LinkedIn profile, you will find my featured section, and in that featured section, you will find some videos over here, right? Which has 91, 84, and 7. And by the way, guys, if you can see, my followers are around 7,000 followers, which obviously I have not built overnight. It took me around 3 years to come from 0 to 7,000. What if I tell you, Pradeep, that just by these videos, I got 2 clients that had a ticket size of 1 lakh plus in a month? Would you agree? Would you believe me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did I run ads for this? Did I run ads for this? No.
No, we can also get organically. Like as
Exactly.
I said, I'm not doing any ad activity on LinkedIn, but I'm getting it through the messages. Like they see my profile experience. I have to keep on posting some things. So they just drop a message across and they just discuss with me. And if they feel that, then we go on call. And from there, I take it as a opportunity.
Okay, think about this. There's this guy called Harsh Tripathi. I don't know, guys, if you guys know him. He's a very good friend of mine. I know this guy since he had less than 100 followers. Okay, I know this guy since he had less than 100 followers. Right now, he positions himself as a LinkedIn personal branding expert. He has about 6 million plus content impressions, which, if you guys know, it is not through ads. It is entirely organic, 101% organic. Okay, he says that he's a B2B content writer and copywriter and a SaaS content specialist. Do you guys see what he's doing here? What is he doing here? He has targeted exactly those words जिसके through clients आएंगे इसके पास. तो पहले तो इस भाई ने ये कर दिया. दूसरा, इसने बोल दिया कि भाई मेरे तो LinkedIn इतने कंटेंट इंप्रेशन आ रखे हैं कि अगर तुमको लग रहा है कि भाई मेरे कंटेंट में दम नहीं है, ले लो भाई, ये लो और बोलो, ठीक है. Then next, if you go and see his bio, he has written entirely about, welcome to the second innings. I switched my gears, pursue content writing. I've been a part of content writing efforts, blah, blah, blah. And then, 300 plus freelancing writing, all combined. I decided to hop on. As a solopreneur, I have created Stellar. What is he doing? He's selling himself, guys.
He's selling himself through his bio. He's putting
Exactly
all kind of information in that.
Yes. For freelance writing projects, I love to write on the following topics, and I have fair writing experience with each of them. This is the industries. Hit me up here. This is my email. How much do you think he earns? And believe me, he's a very good friend of mine. How much do you think he earns? And let me tell you, he spends 0 rupees on acquiring any kind of clients. How much do you think he earns? Give me a very realistic figure. Don't say 27 lakhs, 50 lakhs, please.
3 to 4 lakhs in a month.
In a month?
Yeah.
Okay, it is around 2. It is around 2 lakhs in a month. How much do you think his last job paid him for the same thing, content writing and all those things? How much do you think his last job paid him? 50K, exactly, around 50 to 60K. Do you guys see the difference?
Yeah.
Do you guys see the difference? Yes or no on the chat?
Yeah. Yes.
Right? So बाकी लोगों के आंसर नहीं आ रहे यार, आप लोग सुन भी रहे हो, सर्टिफिकेट दे देंगे यार, मैं कर दूंगा साइन, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, हाँ ना तो लिखो, मैं दे दूंगा सर्टिफिकेट यार, मैं दूंगा साइन करके, चिंता मत करो. Yes, right? Now let's come to this guy. How many of you have heard of Prakhar ke Pravachan? Anybody who has heard Prakhar ke Pravachan? No. Okay, so when you think of psychology, right, when you think of something known as psychology, what comes to your mind? Boring? Is it boring?
Yes.
Interesting.
Technical?
Yeah.
Complex? Yes. Interesting for some, but Tanvi, if I have to give you a book and I say, Tanvi, read this book, tell me what is written here in simple language, it will be very hard for you.
Yeah. Agree.
So and when it comes to Indian audiences, do you think that they will accept psychology as an active subject of interest when it comes to consuming content? Do you think that?
एकदम नहीं.
Nil. Okay. आइए जी, आपको हम बताते हैं. इसकी वेबसाइट का कंटेंट भी मैंने ही लिखा था, बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं मेरे, और इनका जो मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं वो भी बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं मेरे. और ये खुल जाए बस, अभी बेइज्जती कराने वाली बात है वैसे तो. हाँ, खुल गया. थोड़ा सा अभी इस पे दिक्कत चल रही थी. ये है जी सर, इनका एक कोर्स है. आप जरा एक बार एनरोल्ड लर्नर्स पढ़िए. 2309 पढ़ रहे हैं. जरा मल्टीप्लाई करिए 2500 से, कितना नंबर बनता है? मैं कर देता हूँ यार, चलो. 2499 into 2309 कितना बनता है? 57 lakhs. Would you believe me if I said he has so far spent 0 rupees? Believable? Unbelievable? Unbelievable, but it is true. Okay, next. अच्छा, एक बार हम ये भी देख लेते हैं कि ये कितना ट्रैफिक लेके आ रहा है, बिकॉज तो चलो ये छोड़ो, ये थोड़ी गाली गलोच वाली पॉडकास्ट है, मैं थोड़ी ऐसी निकालता हूँ जिसमें थोड़े व्यूज अच्छे थे. Okay, let's look at this one. And I'm going to show you some stats, okay? 12.2 million total views, okay? 16.2K average daily views, okay? Guys, can you see it? 3,000 subscribers in the last 30 days. 100 is the average daily subscribers. अच्छा, अब आप ना ये मत देखो. Just focus on the metrics. 2,500 का कोर्स है, 16,000 लोग रोज देख रहे हैं. यस. अब 16,000 में से मुझे कितने लोग चाहिए दिन के सिर्फ लेट से 25,000 कमाने में? कितने लोग चाहिए? 10. क्या आपको लगता है 10 भी नहीं खरीदते होंगे रोज? आराम से. अच्छा जी, मैं 25,000 को अगर 30 से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो 7,50,000 बनते हैं. बेटा जी, ये लोगों की सीटीसी होती है पूरे साल की. आई होप आप लोगों को ये बात समझ में आ रही है. चलिए एक और देखते हैं. How many of you guys have heard of Think School? Think School, anybody? Very famous channel, very famous. But it just shot to fame in the last 3 months. Anybody who knows about Think School? No. Okay, no problem. So what this guy? So when you think of business case studies, what comes to your mind? Let's say for an average Indian, what do you think of business case study? Would that person be interested? Let's say in English. और लोग, कि हमारी तो आधी जनता अंग्रेजी, बहुत सारे लोग अंग्रेजी बोलते भी नहीं है. ये बात आप लोगों को भी पता है. let's say business case studies in English. How much do you think should be the response, or what do you think should be the first response? कितना होगा?
कम होगा बहुत.
बहुत कम होगा?
Yeah.
Guys, yes and no in the chat, please. Yes and no in the chat. कम होगा, ज़्यादा होगा, बताइए.
कम होगा.
कम होगा, लेस होगा. तो ये क्या करते हैं सर, ये लिंक्डइन की मास्टर क्लासेस भेजते हैं, इनके भी शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेज है, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. और एक बार हम इनके चैनल पे चलते हैं. इसमें मैं डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे डालने वाला हूँ, तो इफ यू गाइस आर फॉलोइंग मी यू विल गेट टू नो दैट वीडियो वेरी सून. ओके, नाउ लुक एट द एवरेज डेली व्यूज. 2,25,000. obnoxious number. 3,000 daily subscribers, 6.8 million views in the last 30 days, and 30 million views total. Okay, let me open his website and just look at the website. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is the landing page. Do you think it's a very impressive landing page? Do you think it's a top-notch, out-of-the-box landing page? It's not, because he owns a small business. Get the masterclass now पे click करेंगे. 1,998. अब इसमें मुझे बताइए, ये नंबर है आपके पास सर, ये नंबर है जी आपके पास. क्या लगता है कितने लोग खरीदते होंगे रोज? 2 लाख लोगों में से कितने लोग खरीदते होंगे रोज? 2,500 रुपए तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. कितने लेते होंगे? 100 लेते होंगे. चलो मैं कह रहा हूँ रोज 100 लेते हैं. चलो 2.5 लाख में से 100 लोग ले रहे हैं. कितने हो गए? 2.5 लाख पर डे हो गए सर. ये तो स्मॉल बिजनेस की कैटेगरी से ही ऊपर चला गया. Can you guys now compare it with any PPC campaign? Compare it with any PPC campaign. Can you compare it with any PPC campaign? Any Google ads campaign, any Facebook ads campaign? Do you think that they can come even minutely close in terms of ROI? Can any PPC campaign in this entire world come even minutely close to ROI? आपको पता है, आप एक फेसबुक ऐड चलाते हैं, आपको कम से कम 2 से 3 रुपए लगती है एक क्लिक की, और उसमें से भी आपको 95% विजिटर्स ड्रॉप आउट करते हैं. You guys know this? That's how the funnel is. That's how the funnel is. एंड मैं आपको यहाँ पे कह रहा हूँ, ये आपका फनल है जिसमें 3 times ज्यादा रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट आपको आएगा by spending 0 rupees. 0. Now, some of you guys must be thinking that here it is very easy for you to say that this guy is earning this and this, but he has reached a level. How do I make sure that when I start, I'm able to get some traction? Is that a concern in your mind? How do I make sure that I'm able to reach that number as a beginner? Because I am not confident. I am not confident to face the camera. I am not confident to make the content. Anybody has this doubt or concern in their minds? ये धीरज, ये तुम जो एग्जांपल दे रहे हो ना, ये किताबी चीजें अच्छी लगती है मेरे को तुम प्रैक्टिकल बताओ रियल लाइफ में. ये सब फालतू की बातें मत करो मेरे सामने. मैं कैसे करूं ये बताओ. Anybody?
Yeah, that's the thought.
That's the thought. Okay.
Yes.
Let me show you one more. So let's take a smaller example. Moneyball India. This is the guy I just caught off very recently, and he's a very new channel. He joined in February 11, 2021. So very new, brand new. He boasts of 3 lakh views. So let's not go into the views. Let me just sort by the most popular one. And in this short reel, he has around 2,14,000 views. Okay, I'm going to open this.
Mutual fund don't make you rich, they make you.
1 second, let me share the sound. Okay, मेरा माइक्रोफोन चेंज हो गया है, मेरे स्पीकर्स को चेंज हो गया है.
Can't hear, but पहले सुनाई दे रहा था.
1 second, अभी कर लें.
Poor. How? Let's say you invest rupees 15,000 for next.
1 second, let me start from here.
Mutual fund don't make you rich, they make you poor. How? Let's say you invest rupees 15,000 for next 30 years and they end up giving you 15% per annum return. This means you should have 10.5 crore. But instead, they charge you 1 or 2% every year. and you end up making only 6.6 crore. This is like 40% reduction of your wealth. अब सोचो, पैसा आपका, रिस्क सारा आपका, और प्रॉफिट ले जाए वो. Don't fall into this trap. Be wise.
कितना टाइम लगा होगा इसको, इस रील को बनाने के लिए, एंड हाउ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डू यू थिंक दिस इज? अच्छा, बाय द वे, फॉर पीपल हु आर कंसर्न्ड कि नहीं ये तो एस्टैब्लिश्ड होगा, अप्रैल 4 को ज्यादा दूर तो नहीं है, अप्रैल 4 को ज्यादा दूर की डेट तो नहीं है. यस ओके, पंकज इज सेइंग, सो बेसिकली समरी ऑफ दिस entire workshop is, जो 1 घंटा आपने बोर किया, we have to create video content. Is that the summary? Can we generalize it in such a simplistic statement कि हमें बस video content बनाना है? Is the conclusion that we just have to create video content, or is the conclusion a little bit deeper? Right? अब इसके statistics भी देख लेते हैं. चलो यार, ये लो भाई साहब के 8000 डेली व्यूज आ रहे हैं, 178 डेली सब्स आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, 2.5 लाख व्यूज उसके लास्ट 30 डेज में आए थे. एंड इन भाई साहब की जो वेबसाइट है ना, उसको आप देखोगे आपका दिल खुश हो जाएगा, बिकॉज इट इज अ ब्रांड न्यू वेबसाइट विद जीरो फैंसीनेस. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, आई नो दिस गाय ऑल्सो, एंड ही इज स्टिल प्रॉफिटेबल. He has already crossed his first 100 customers in less than 6 months without spending a bomb on ads. You know, things that we take for so granted are actually very simple to make. So let me revisit what we have done in today's class. I'm not ending the session yet. I have to share some tools with you. What was the first learning that we first thing that we learned in the beginning of the session? Come on, let's wrap it up fast. It's 1:45.
One cannot control everything.
Exactly. Second, खोल दूं क्या पीपीटी? चलो यार,
connect to the audience. Deeper connect to the audience.
So we were here. One cannot control everything. Yes, connecting in a deeper way. Yes, third was have to have patience, because industry is not so simple. Anything else that you have learned? Now let's not chronologically define it. Whatever you have learned, just यहाँ पे लिखते चलो, जो भी आपने सीखा. चलो बताओ जल्दी. What else did you learn today?
Think like a content creator.
Yes. Why?
Yeah, because they never give up.
They love challenges. They never
love
give up. They
challenges
love
and they
taking
never
risks.
give up. Yeah.
है ना?
Taking risks, yeah.
So that mindset is very important. If
Yeah.
we have that mindset, we can do anything that we want.
Yeah.
So that तो patience भी अपने आप ही आ जाएगी. And finally, one lesson that I wanted all of you to learn is, all good things take time. So take your chances. अगर मनी बॉल ने नहीं बनाया होता वो रील, आज उसको 2.5 लाख लोग नहीं देखते. अगर थिंक स्कूल वाले ने, और मैं आपको एक बात भी बता दूं, कंटेंट इज सुप्रीम. एडिटिंग and all these fancy things are just a cosmetic add-on. Do you guys agree with me? End of the day, Facebook is just a channel, yaar. Google Ads is just a channel. Insta is just a channel. That's it. They are not the things you should be focusing on. A channel is useless. क्या आप बिना पेट्रोल की गाड़ी चला सकते हो? नहीं चला सकते. क्या आप बिना तेल के एरोप्लेन उड़ा सकते हो? नहीं उड़ा सकते. So the final aspect is, how do we make sure that our content gets the required visibility? That is the main thing ना, कि views कैसे आएंगे सर? तो एक बात तो मैं आपको जेनेरिक BS सबकी तरह बोलूंगा, रिलेटेबल कंटेंट बनाओ. ये तो आपको भी पता है. लेकिन तब भी व्यूज नहीं आते. तो कैसे आएंगे? सोचा है एनीबडी? अगर ये स्ट्रैटेजी समझ ली ना, बस खत्म, फिनिश। फिर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का कोई भी कोर्स कर लो, सक्सेसफुल होगा। Do you guys understand the difference between volume and competition? Anybody understands the difference between volume and competition? Have you guys heard of these terms, volume and competition? Okay, I'll explain it to you. Let's say somebody is searching for digital marketing versus somebody is searching for digital marketing course versus somebody is searching for digital marketing course offline. Where do you think the most volume is? Where is the most volume? Volume कहाँ है?
डिजिटल मार्केटिंग
इसमें है, इसमें है। But आपको where is the most competition also?
डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्स
नहीं, कंपटीशन सर, कंपटीशन
कंपटीशन भी वहीं पे है। डिजिटल
जहाँ वॉल्यूम ज्यादा है वहाँ
वहीं पे
कंपटीशन
कंपटीशन
है ना,
या
है ना गाइस?
Yeah.
यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
या करेक्ट।
जहाँ पे जिस टॉपिक पे पूरी दुनिया वीडियो बना रही है, अगर आप उसी पे बनाएंगे तो आपके व्यूज कैसे आएंगे? नहीं आ सकते। तो आपने क्या करना है? यू हैव टू ब्रेक इट डाउन, also known as long tail strategy. You guys know this? Have you guys heard of this?
या लॉन्ग टर्म कीवर्ड्स वी हैव टू अप्लाई।
तो जो बंदर की पूंछ होती है ना सर, बहुत लंबी होती है, बहुत लंबी होती है, और जब भी उसको किसी को मारना होता है ना, तो उसको सबसे जो नीचे वाला एंड होता है ना, सबसे जोर की उससे लगती है, क्योंकि वो पूंछ लंबी होती है। इसीलिए लॉन्ग टेल मीन्स we create content for keywords that seemingly look like they don't have enough volume, but in reality, if we are able to get our content over there, we have our first 100 people connecting with us directly. Let me give you an example. मैं अपना चैनल खोलता हूँ, ओके? अब मेरे चैनल पे आप ये देख रहे हैं, कितने व्यूज आ रहे हैं सर? 16,240। मेरे को नहीं लगता कम है, ये कम है क्या? जिस बंदे के एक भी व्यू नहीं आता ना, उससे पूछो क्या पेन होता है। तो 16,000 तो बहुत है, बहुत है, ठीक है? और आप यहाँ पे ये देख रहे हैं 11.7 के, मोर देन यूजुअल, 683 मोर देन यूजुअल। सडनली यू सी दैट द ग्राफ till about here the graph was okay, but then suddenly shot up. Can you see it suddenly shot up? Suddenly from 599, then I am now getting 6,666, then I got 9,9,999. यहाँ पे ग्राफ एकदम से ऊपर कैसे हो गया? Can you see this? You guys can see this? ये ग्राफ एकदम से ऊपर कैसे हो गया? Right? Then if I have to talk about the impressions, okay, these were the impressions that I was getting before, and the moment I started creating content, poof, 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 12,000, 12,000 impressions in one day, and then 8, right? And you can see that 46% of my impressions are coming directly from YouTube. What do you think I must have done? And don't tell me that you created more videos. That is not the right answer. That is not the right answer. I'm going to wrap the class up in 10 minutes, but I need the right answer. The right answer is not that I made more videos. Yes, Pradeep.
You focused more on long tail keywords.
Yes.
Which is giving more like profitable keywords.
Okay, and how do you find that?
Of course, we have to look into the keyword planner and the keyword tools.
What if I say I did not look at keyword planner?
We can check out to the competitors, what is trending. We can do
exactly.
a
Exactly. First of all, you need to have subject interest. ये तो मानोगे आप लोग क्या करते हैं? They don't look at their interest. They look at पैसा कहाँ है? Yes. Where is the money? Okay, health has money. I'll make content on health. Okay, make money online has money. I'll make content on make money. They have zero interest in those niches. They make content, and you think people are fool? They're idiots that they will keep watching your video for a long period of time because they can smell it that you are acting fake. Yes or no? Sorry if you found this class to be very qualitative in nature. Right? Pankaj is saying quality content के लिए interest तो होना पड़ेगा ना भैया. Interest ही नहीं है तो कहाँ से बनाओगे content? You don't have to look at keywords first. You have to look at what do you like to talk about? Then you have to break it down in which niche it belongs. Am I being clear? Everybody in the chat, yes and no. समझ आ रही है मेरी बात? भाई बहुत सिंपल सा गेम है यार, कितना डिफिकल्ट गेम नहीं है. आपको लग रहा होगा बहुत डिफिकल्ट गेम है, इतना डिफिकल्ट गेम है ही नहीं, बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू यूज जस्ट वन टूल. फॉरगेट अबाउट कीवर्ड प्लानर. छोड़ दो भाड़ में गया कीवर्ड प्लानर. मैं आपको एक ऐसा टूल बता रहा हूँ जो कीवर्ड प्लानर कभी हवा निकाल देगा. इट्स कॉल्ड vidIQ. हैव यू गाइस हर्ड ऑफ दिस टूल? vidIQ. vidIQ की मैं सबसे कमाल की बात आपको बताता हूँ. Whatever you type in the search, let's say I say digital marketing salary, okay, let's say I write this, okay. Now when you add this plugin, you will see some fascinating numbers, okay. It says volume is 40, competition is low. लो जी बल्ले बल्ले. 40 का मतलब क्या है? 40% people are creating content, या फिर basically मतलब it's an index number. I don't know the exact मतलब इसका, but अगर 100 में से इसका कंपटीशन है 40% है, मतलब 60% आपका चांस है सक्सेसफुल होने का, 40% आपको दिक्कत आएगी. समझ में आ रही सबको बात? सबको बात समझ आ रही है? 60% रुकावट आएगी, 40% रुकावट नहीं आएगी. सॉरी उल्टा बोल रहा हूँ. 40% रुकावट आएगी, 60% रुकावट नहीं आएगी. तो कंपटीशन अपना भैया लो हो गया. फिर उसके बाद वो बोलेंगे भैया अब आपके टॉप चैनल्स कौन से हैं. अब आपको क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस भी करनी है, क्वालिटेटिव भी करनी है. यस नो गाइस, यस नो गाइस, यस नो गाइस. तो क्वांटिटेटिव के लिए आपको पता है कि जब आप इनके चैनल्स में वीडियो देखेंगे तो आप इनका क्या क्या पता लगा सकते हैं, क्या क्या पता लगा सकते हैं आप कंपटीशन का. हाउ दे टॉक, व्हाट डू दे टॉक अबाउट, फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग डू दे टॉक, व्हाई डू पीपल लाइक देयर वीडियोस. Is it clear? Let me tell you, इतना ज्यादा आपको YouTube पे इन कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स जो आपको ओवरली कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बना देते हैं. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है ही नहीं यार. क्या ये हमसे नहीं हो सकता? ये इतना डिफिकल्ट है, ये इतना डिफिकल्ट है. क्या ये क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस हमसे नहीं हो सकती? हो सकती है ना, पर हम करते ही नहीं. बिकॉज वी वांट अ हैक, वी वांट अ ग्रोथ हैक. ग्रोथ हैक इज इन द एफर्ट. If you do the effort, that is your growth hack. Finish. End of story. Khatam. So if you do these kinds of analysis, and then there can be 100 other parameters on the basis of which you judge. Okay. So now that you have understood कि हाँ ठीक है, ये personality है, ये बंदा ऐसे है, and then you have understood that okay, in the last 1 month the average views is 1,04,000, average subscribers is 3 lakh. 3 videos have been added in the last 7 days. Is it an opportunity for you or is it a threat for you? कि last 7 days में सिर्फ 3 वीडियो डाले. बताइए, बोलिए. अपॉर्चुनिटी है, थ्रेट है? अपॉर्चुनिटी है. क्यों? कंपटीशन का मैंने यार, लेकिन वॉल्यूम है. हाँ भाई, 1 लाख व्यूज आते हैं ऑन एन एवरेज ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. अब वो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ये नहीं बताएगा, वो भी बता देगा. वैसे 4 साल में करीबन 1 लाख व्यूज आते हैं. कम है? 4 साल में 1 लाख व्यूज आना कम है? बताइए. नहीं. टॉप क्रिएटर है इनके ये वाले, वो तो है, सीधी सी बात है, बिकॉज उनका वीडियो टॉप पे आ रहा है. लेकिन भाई ने जब वीडियो बनाया तो वो भी नीचे आ गया. अब 1 लाख में से मेरे पास 44,000 व्यूज आ गए भैया जी 1 साल में. कम है? एडिटिंग 0, बैकग्राउंड 0, माइक 0, व्यूज 44K. 44K. चलो जी एक और करते हैं, इंटर्नशिप करते हैं. ये देखिए, यहाँ पे तो और बल्ले बल्ले होगी भैया. कंपटीशन वेरी लो. ओ हो. बताइए, कंपटीशन वेरी लो. इसके आगे अगर मैं एक लॉन्ग टेल कीवर्ड लगाना चाहूं, एक और लॉन्ग टेल कीवर्ड लगाना चाहूं तो क्या करूंगा? क्या लगता है आपको? डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इंटर्नशिप करने से पहले भी एक बंदा क्या सर्च करेगा? क्या सर्च करेगा?
ऑनलाइन
पैसे नहीं सर्च करेगा सर.
हाँ,
कितने पैसे मिलते हैं? करेगा ना?
हाँ.
करेगा ना? दिमाग लगाया हमने. किसकी वीडियो टॉप पे आई भैया? भाई की. कितना दिमाग लगाया मैंने इसमें, कौन सा कैलकुलस लगा था इसमें, बताइए। मतलब एक वीडियो जिसके 22,000 व्यूज है वो नीचे है, मेरी ऊपर है। चलो ठीक है, अगर अभी मैं इनकॉग्निटो में खोलूंगा हो सकता है 3rd नंबर पे चली जाएगी, 3rd भी कम है क्या, टॉप 3 में आ रही है, तो मतलब अब आपने क्रैक कर लिया कोड उसका। और वहां से अगर आप अपनी वीडियोस में ये बोलेंगे कि सर जी मुझे, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है मेरी वेबसाइट पे जाइए, मैं कोर्स बेच रहा हूँ, मुझे आप बताइए लोग नहीं लेंगे क्या? एक स्मॉल बिजनेस को और चाहिए क्या? व्हाट डू दे वांट? दे वांट लीड्स, relevant leads. People who love you are more likely to buy from you. They're going to buy faster. They have reduced sales cycle because they love you. They've engaged with you. You just saw the analytics that I shown you. That's how I work. Let me tell you, I have also launched a website. The courses are not sold at the moment. They are just sold to people. So don't buy anything, please. I would request you. वो अभी आप लोगों के लिए नहीं है, वो मेरे पुराने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अभी मैंने डाल रखा है वहाँ पे. I'm not gonna sell all those things that I mentioned there. I will sell some other things, some other skill building programs, not the ones not in digital marketing domain in any case. But every day I'm getting audiences. Every day I'm getting audiences that love me. Every day I'm getting audiences that want to hear more from me. Every day I'm getting audiences that want to know more from me. Every day I'm getting audiences that think of me, consider me as their mentor, because I've created a positioning for myself that I am the honest digital marketing guy. But do you think that there is something out of the box I'm doing in terms of creating content? No, I am just selecting places where the competition is less, the opportunity is more. Even though it has lower volumes, I will still win because the intent is high. Is it clear? Intent high है, चाहे लोग कम है, लेकिन relevant लोग हैं. So that's all. I would want to wrap it up over here. I think we're on time. Bang on 2 p.m. Rumpi, okay, clear,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, but I need to discuss regarding Antwork. So
Yes,
let me
please,
share my screen.
Go ahead.
1 second. So anyway, this is a very nice session, Dheeraj. Always, like, it's a pleasure taking you in our platform. Let me present my screen. So guys, let me introduce about Antwork. So Antwork is an experiential learning movement which is powered by industry experts like Dheeraj. So we have 3 philosophies, right? So first one is learning by practicing professionals. So what in Antwork we did, we brought experts from different sectors, different across the world. So in digital marketing, they came and shared their knowledge as today Dheeraj shared his knowledge. So they came and shared their knowledge, experiential knowledge from they gained from their job. So this is the first philosophy. Second one is learning by doing things. So we focus more on practical hands-on stuff rather than theories and all. So, and third one is, as you guys are in a live session today, so we focus on live immersive classes. We think learning will be more effective in the live classes rather than self-recorded content. So believing in those 3 philosophies, we have introduced master's program in digital marketing. So the duration is 16 weeks. And we have experts from different industries, as you can see, Amazon, Google, Puma. So those experts are coming and teaching you guys. And the most interesting things, you can do hands-on real-time projects for each module. So we have modules on like Google ads, we have Facebook ads, we have social media marketing, we have fundamentals of marketing. Dheeraj is taking video production, as you have seen that vidIQ one. So he will be discussing more on that. Then some strategies, digital marketing strategies. Today's was on nutshell, but it will be in depth in the session. So if you guys are interested, and you can of course get your hands dirty on different tools, as you can see, HRF, Canva, Elementor, Facebook ads and all. So if you guys are interested, so please do check out the link. We will put the link in the description, I mean the chat box. Yes, it's there in the so, and guys, some offer is also going on. If you check in now, so you'll get some discount also. And yeah, and if you check in, we can discuss more regarding the course. So Dheeraj, you want to add regarding your module, what you were
So
teaching
first of
there?
all, I
Yeah.
can vouch for the philosophy of Antwork, right? And I always recommend Antwork to everybody who want, 100% placement assistance, or for people who come on my channel. I recommend them, because some people want to do a self-paced course, then I recommend them a different program. Some people want to do a live classroom program, then I absolutely recommend this program. I've been a part of Antwork since the last 1 year. It's been an absolute honor and a pleasure to be here all the time. And the kind of teachers that you have here, let me tell you, they're practitioners, guys. एक बहुत ना ये आपने देखा होगा इधर उधर भाई की पढ़ के तो कोई भी बता देगा, मैं भी पीपीटी चला दूं अभी, so कुछ नहीं होता है. You need to learn from people who have been there and done that, and this is the biggest USP of Antwork. And these people are
Right.
not just your regular teachers. These people are from Amazon, from Google, from Unilever, from Puma, from Netflix, all these companies. So the quality is on another level. Apart from that, every time you meet a teacher, always know that you are connecting with the teacher, and that connection will pay in multifold returns in the future. You will be able to add them, you will be able to connect them on LinkedIn or whatever. I don't know, Rumpi can shed more light on that, but whatever. But all my students have connected with me on LinkedIn, and they constantly interact with me. I help them in any way I can. So don't just think of it from a knowledge perspective, think of it from a networking and placement perspective. Obviously, as I keep telling on my channel, I will repeat and I will reiterate that statement here. When we say placement assistance, it is your effort and hard work. Antwork will help you get a foot on the door, but if you don't work hard, Antwork can do nothing about it, right? So if you're ready to take that leap of faith, if you're ready to jump in and get your hands dirty with the industry experts and practitioners, then don't think too much and enroll today using my link. Otherwise, if you want more information, then Rumpi and Subhadeep can shed more light on that.
Yeah, and two things, guys. I got so you will be getting certificate. We'll mail you the certificate for today's session. This is the first thing, and second one, Shivam is asking. So we have to pay after placement. So you guys can sign up, right? Then our internal team, they will call you and they will discuss more about the payment structure and everything. So we have different payment modes. So you will get more idea on that. So I'll recommend you to sign up. So, and I think we can wrap up the session, Dheeraj. It's it's 2.
Sorry,
so thank you so much, guys.
I extended it a little bit. I'm so sorry.
No, but it was very interesting. So it's fine. It's fine. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you. And we do this kind of session each week. So do check out our social media. You'll get to know more about our workshops. So thank you so much, Dheeraj. Thanks a lot. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
You guys can connect with me on LinkedIn if you want. Yeah, and
Already connected.
I hope you guys got your answers, what you were looking for.
Yes.
I just want that validation कि हाँ ठीक है भाई मजा आया. So जिन लोगों ने अभी तक बात नहीं करी, आप तो भाई चैट पे तो लिख दो.
And we'll share the recording also and certificate also. We'll mail you guys. Vijay is asking, Ekta is asking. Yeah.
All right, guys.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dheeraj.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.